If you're facing calendar virus on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just remember that these are not viruses, and this does not mean that your iPhone has been hacked. These are basically spam calendar invites. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open the calendar app on your iPhone, then tap on the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, just scroll down and look for calendars which you don't remember adding. For example, if you find a calendar which you don't remember adding, just tap on the eye icon in front of the calendar and select Delete Calendar. Now just do the same with all the calendars which you don't remember adding. After you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for the Calendar app, then tap on it. Tap on Calendar Accounts. Now from here, just disable the toggle for Calendar for each email one by one. For example, I will disable the toggle for the calendar for my Gmail. Select Delete from my iPhone. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now just do the same with all the emails which you have logged in to your iPhone. Now after you find the email from which you are receiving these spam calendar invites, and after you disable the toggle for calendar, you will remove all the calendar viruses from your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.